Hello, interior designers and architects. Welcome all. I know you all are very busy learning CAD designing softwares. My question is still, are you preparing to get your first job or not? Or are you struggling to get your first job in the design industry? Then don't worry. After completing this inner circle call, I am 100% sure you will be landing in the CAD design industry to get your first job. Hello, this is Kaustubh. I'm the director of Design Studio. I am on a mission of how design engineers can earn a lot of money by working in the design industry. Today, there is a gift for all of you at the end of this inner circle call, and this gift is for the selected student who shows his 100% participation. Whosoever is the winner of this gift, I will craft their resume in today's live session. So pay 100% attention. Right now, I'm glad to welcome you all and happy to see that more than 600 students are live on various platforms such as Facebook, YouTube, Google Meet, Instagram, and Zoom. Thank you for joining us. So, guys, are you ready? If you are ready, then type in the comment box, I am ready to get first job. Fantastic. I can see a lot of people. Very good. Fantastic. Let's move on. Lots of fresher interior designers and architects want to make their career in the field of CAD designing. And for this reason, they join a lot of software courses. In fact, they study most of the popular softwares. But what happens after that? Most of them don't get a job in this field. They don't see the future. They become completely blank and finally give up and create a self belief that there is no job in the CAD designing industry. But this is one of their biggest mistake because as per the global market research, there are plenty of new iconic infrastructure launched every year and each company is formed to give a new better design in the market. What it means is these CAD software technology are evolving rapidly and for this rapid market change they require a lot of skilled interior designers and architects. Result, every year lots of job vacancies are developed in the CAD designing industry. Guys, students, dear freshers, I have made a complete blueprint strategy for you to get a job in the design industry. The name of the strategy is Get the First Job Hackathon. Hackathon is so simple to implement. It will only take you 3 to 5 hours to complete. By implementing the strategies, lot of students have got their first job in the design field. They don't believe that it was so simple and think why didn't they get this blueprint strategy earlier. Today I am sharing a hidden treasure of how to get the first job in the design industry. Let's stay connected till the end to understand it thoroughly. I am 100% sure if you successfully complete this hackathon, at the end of this hackathon, you will start getting lots of interview calls. And remember, fresher interior designing and architecture students, I am sharing my knowledge absolutely free of cost because I want you to earn lots of money by working in the field of design. Guys, are you excited? Are you with me? Then go to the comment box and type ready for transformation. Go to the comment box and type ready for transformation. I can see Shruti, I can see Akhil, I can see Rakesh. Well done. I can see Amol, Alok. Awesome. Let's begin. Let's enjoy this transformation. Good job, Amit. Well done. Imagine, guys, there's a vacancy for an interior designer in Godrej Interior. For a fresher interior designer or maybe an architect. You applied and so have many other candidates. Let's understand what happens in the screening test. At the first stage, most of the time, when a fresher candidate applies, the resume is never shortlisted. The HR or the employers look at your resume in very few seconds and they throw it in the dustbin. Even without reading the resume, it goes into the dust tray. Because at first look, they want professionalism and there are a lot of applicants waiting in the queue. At the next stage, if they find a professionally crafted resume, then also they reject the resume in the second stage. After just reading a few lines, they realize that the resume is not 100% fit. At the third stage of resume screening, they shortlist only those candidates who provide relevant resumes for that particular job vacancy and are 100% fit for the job post. If such a kind of rejection of resumes is happening to you, I understand you would get frustrated. You will start believing that you will never get a design job. And this would result in you giving up the design career option. Period. But the truth is, in this queue, someone amongst you is getting a job even if they have lesser skills than you. The global survey shows that fresher candidates have lots of skills, but they don't know the basics of resume making. And that is why they are struggling in their careers. Are you getting my point, friends? In the past 20 years of corporate experience, I have shortlisted hundreds of resumes and I have also rejected about 10,000 of them. But the question is still there. Why does a particular resume get rejected? The biggest problem is that fresher engineers never set a goal. And because of this, fresher engineers are not able to make a resume based on what exactly the employers want. Are you wondering that is there any relationship between a goal and a resume? Of course, absolutely. There is 100% connection. Don't worry. I'll explain it to you now. If you understand the key success point, nobody will stop you in this hiring process. Look at this diagram given on the screen. Every interior designer, architect has got his current state and he wants to achieve the desired state. Yes, the current state and the desired state. In your current state position, you need to realize that every fresher candidate, including you, has a current state of skill set. That skill set includes a degree in some software like AutoCAD, Revit, SketchUp, 3D Express. All interior design architects, including you, in their desired stage position, have a strong desire to work in a top MNC company and earn a good salary. Agree or not? About their skill set at the desired state, candidates have about 3 to 5 or 10 years of experience on different projects and also have the software knowledge. So if you want to shift your current state to the desired state, you need to fill this gap in the skill set. Simple. Do you understand? It's not about the experience. It's all about the project skill set. My dear students, listen to me very carefully. If any fresher interior designers or architect with no experience can perform some kind of project work, and on the other hand, if an experienced one with 3 to 5 or 10 years of experience performing the same kind of project work, then there is no difference between their job post and in their salary. There is a big misconception among freshers. They think more the experience, higher the salary. No, that's not true at all. It is just a myth. Companies cannot pay higher salary based only on the years of experience. Please realize this. If you want to get your house painted and the painter asks 5 times more than he usually charges because he has 50 years of experience, would you give him that kind of money? Of course not. So guys, moving on, I have created a dedicated hackathon for building a resume. The hackathon will fill this gap between the fresher and an experienced candidate. I am 100% sure if you follow my steps in the resume building hackathon, your resume will be shortlisted at the first glance. Today, lot of fresher interior design architects following these magic steps have got place in the CAD industry. This resume building hackathon is only about 30 to 40 minutes and your resume shall be converted to a top class professional shortlisting resume. Today, I am really glad to share the magical steps of resume building. I give you these magical steps of transferring your resume to a shortlisting resume. Complete this resume building hackathons. Don't worry, trust me. Hope you are excited. You know how to fulfill this gap. Then go to the comment box and say, I want to fill this gap. I want to bridge this gap. Great. Fantastic. Shruti, Aarti, lovely. Come on, Amit, Alok, fantastic. Let's begin the magical transformation. Exactly. To get a first job in the CAD design industry, every fresher candidate has to fill this gap between the current skill set and the desired state of skill set. even before to start working in the company. To understand better, let's take out two resumes. The first one is from a fresher, and the second one who's got an experience of 3 to 5 years. On the screen is a fresher's resume. It shows only two skills in the top order representations. Those are, first is education, second is the number of different CAD softwares which are learned. Now look at a 3 to 5 years experience resume. It shows 5 skill set in top order representation. First is 3 to 5 years experience, second is specialized knowledge, third is number of CAD softwares, fourth are the soft skills, and lastly is the educational qualification. Now look at the magical transformation of converting a fresher engineering resume into an equivalent of 3 to 5 years experience guy. It is also showing five skill sets in the top order: educational project work experience, specialization knowledge, number of CAD softwares learned, soft skills required for the job, and lastly the education qualification. Have you noticed minutely that the only pattern of showcasing the experience has changed? All the rest of the elements are the same. This is the perfect resume to be 100% fit for the CAD design job. This is the exact resume the employer is hunting for. Now let's see why employers can't say no to hiring you. After seeing this kind of resume, these interior designers and architect candidates work on versatile projects like floor layout projects. In this, the students create 2D layout of residential flat, bungalow, row house, mall, and commercial offices. 3D building design projects. In this, student has created 3D modeling of flats, bungalows, city hospital, 5-star hotels, and commercial malls. Exterior and interior rendering. In this, the student has created a room such as living room, bedroom, kitchen, dining, bathroom, garden, terrace, staircase, balcony, corridors, and bungalow, clubhouses, city hospitals, and commercial malls. Walkthrough and sun study. Residential flats, bungalows, clubhouses, city hospitals, 5 stars, and commercial malls. Kitchen designing and ergonomics. In this, the student has created a modular and traditional kitchen design, kitchen work triangle design, human ergonomics, kitchen shape project design, linear, U, island, and G shape. Other than this, the candidate has a specialized skill set in plan layout, space design, bylaws, kitchen designing, ergonomics, illusion designing methods, Vastu Shastra, green building. Oof, mind blowing. The candidate is showing softwares as strength. Candidate has learned AutoCAD, Revit, SketchUp, 3ds Max. In exterior interior rendering, the candidate has learned V-Ray. In walkthrough and sun study, candidates learn to create a walkthrough and sunlight seasonal effect during the effect. And finally, candidate has also learned kitchen designing and ergonomics. In the required job soft skills, candidate puts as learning, listening, management, obedience. At the last in the educational section, master diploma in architecture and interior design as a certificate. After that, the candidate puts his educational qualification list. Oh my God, this is tiring. This is mind blowing. The candidate has also attached his project portfolio. Think now about the transformation. How many things are on a single piece of paper? Definitely, if I get such a candidate's resume for my company, I shall immediately hire him. I know what are you thinking. If you don't have a specialization skill sets and do not have a project portfolio, then how should you put it on your resume? Okay, no problem. Let me explain. See guys, these are the specialization skill sets for interior design architects: plan layout, space design, bylaws, kitchen design, ergonomics, illusion design, Vastu Shastra, and green building. These subjects sound like theories and you might have covered them in your academics or maybe not. But guess what? In just 5 to 10 days, you can grasp the basics of these fundamental subjects. If you are aiming for a job in the CAD industry, then having a good understanding of these fundamental subjects is a must. Tell me, do you have these theoretical subjects as optional or not in your academics? Tell me, how long do you spend studying for exams? Maybe just one night, right? Yes or no? So why get stressed about the theoretical subjects? Do you agree with me? If you agree with me, type in the comment box as one night cleared theoretical subject. One night cleared theoretical subjects. Fantastic. Raghav, Shreya, fantastic. Rohini, lovely. Lovely. Rutuja, awesome. I know you all have studied theories. Now let's talk about the project portfolio. See guys, I'm assuming that you already know CAD designing software because these are mandatory to enter into the design industry. So you may have already joined or completed certification courses on design softwares. Then the important question is, if you're learning designing software, why students are not creating a project portfolio? I am 100% sure that your training institute probably gives you real-time industry-based projects to practice with. All right. So today, are you aware of making a project portfolio? Now, let's start with a new mission. Take the next 10-50 days to get project portfolio ready. Now tell me, you will get ready for the project portfolio, yes or not? If you are ready, then type in the comment box, I have educational project experience. Everyone, go ahead. Pooja, Rahul, fantastic. Shreya, Rohini, I have educational project experience. Fantastic. Riya Sheikh, lovely. Awesome, guys, awesome. I was not expecting this kind of exciting response. Fantastic. My dear interior designers and architects, only by creating will you get a job? But resume building is the first step. You need a complete vehicle to travel from your current state to the desired state. For that purpose, I have created a vehicle for you. This vehicle is nothing but a complete blueprint strategy to get your first job in the CAD design industry. The blueprint strategy is named as the Get the First Job Hackathon. This hackathon is divided into further 7 hackathons and total duration about 3 hours. 7 hackathons are named as Resume Building, Project Portfolio, Design Fundamentals, Job Essentials, Soft Skills, LinkedIn Profile Building, Interview Preparation, and finally, Job Hunting Hackathons. One hackathon into further smaller 7 hackathons. After completing all these packages, you will definitely start getting interview. So before continuing the live session, remember, I am Kaustav, Director of Design Studio. Guys, I am on a mission how fresher interior design and architecture students can earn lot of money by working in the design industry. Guys, I am charging for all 7 hackathons at rupees 12,000. But wait now, do you want this for free? If you want this for free, go to the comment box and type want free. Go to the comment box and type want free. You want at zero cost? Great. So this is the good news for you. I'm giving this complete hackathon absolutely free, which I usually cost 12,000. Hope you are happy. But this is only limited period offer, only for the first 100 students. After that, the registration link will cease to work. So register immediately and get it free. So here on the screen, there is a QR code. Scan it to register for free. You can also find the registration link in the comment box. Once you register, you get a WhatsApp message, and then immediately your career transformation hackathon shall be started. All the sessions of the hackathon are practical. Follow all the instruction. You will definitely get the first job. Let's continue. Now, the time is for the winner of the gift. I'm crafting one of your resumes right now. So for that, everyone, give me your short biodata in the comment box. It should include your name, qualification, softwares learned. Guys, hurry up. Whoever sends it first, I'll craft their resume. That shall give them a job. I'm waiting. Come on, Pooja. Harshita, come on. Hurry up. Very good. Oh, wow. This is Pallavi Patil from FB Live, who is the winner. Congrats, Pallavi. I can see you are an interior and architecture graduate. You have learned AutoCAD, 3ds Max and SketchUp. Listen, Pallavi, check out this resume. I just replaced the name of this resume with Pallavi Patil. Now, this is your resume that will rank in the job portal site. This is the same resume that will be shortlisted by the HR, and this is the one that will be selected by the technical head to give you a call for a face-to-face interview. This session, you'll also know why your resume got selected. But I know, even if you're happy, you're worried because the skill set mentioned on your resume. Don't worry. If you are missing some of the skill set, then upgrade it within 10 to 15 days. I know you can do it. To assist you, hackathons is there. Use the hackathons. You will achieve your goals first. Please inform me how long does it take for you to get that call. Bye Pallavi. My best wishes are with you. So coming back, dear fresher students, do you know today I'm feeling great, getting goosebumps because you all have a spark of energy in me. Do you know, guys, I can visualize your future. Maybe right now you don't realize, but with 20 years of my corporate experience, all of you are reaching your career at the top. There are 100%, hundreds of students in your class, but you are that 1% group of outstanding students who have the courage to learn this 3D design software because you realize how much a good job and salary matters in life. Sure, health, relationship, happiness, all other things matter, but a sound and stable financial life is crucial too. A good salary can solve many problems and ensure a stress free life. I can see it in your eyes. You have a passion to crack the code for getting the first job. I appreciate your participation and eager to learn. You are not a normal student. You have the spark. That's why you are here. Improving your skills instead of doing nothing, and you are not that student just waiting for that job to come to your lap. So hoping for the job interview to magically come to you. Guys, you are the one who wants to prove it to your parents. You have the hunger to earn lots of money. You are the one who wants an equivalent life partner, a beautiful life partner. You are the one who can only sense success. You are a fighter. I understand there is no word like failure in your dictionary. So my dear students, definitely you all are doing a tremendous job. But do you believe in yourself that you are the 1% outstanding student who wants to create an even more outstanding career? If you believe in yourself, then go to the comment box and type, I am 1% outstanding student. Go to the comment box and type, I am the 1% outstanding student. Awesome. No doubt. No doubt in my mind that you all are really, really awesome and outstanding. Let's move on. See, guys, I have met more than 3,000 interior designers. I've conducted more than 500 casual or informal interviews or formal ones. Every one of these top professionals uses one secret code to become a top or to reach the top in their field. Do you want to know the secret of this? This will change your thought process. You will now aspire to get a high salary job. Tell me, do you want this secret code? Then go to the comment box and say, reveal secret code. Go to the comment box and write, reveal secret code. This secret code will enable you to crack the high salary job. Good job, Shreya. Fantastic. I will reveal it for you, Amit. Riddhi, Shruti, fantastic. Let's see the secret code for getting a high salary job, friends. Now listen to me very, very well. What I'm telling you is very important. I'm telling you a hardcore principle. All the successful guys hire a mentor who works as a coach. A mentor who works as a coach is better than your parents, friends, everything. Dear students, the mentor who works as a coach at the top level, because you are in a war, you are in a competition, you will require support. Sometimes, even your closest friend may stop you from doing something which is more challenging because they don't want you to fail in that. In fact, anyone who cares about you don't want to see you get into trouble. Have you watched this movie Munna Bhai MBBS released few years back? In the film, the character who plays the college dean advises the student not to mix the emotions with the patients, else you may not succeed. So, do you understand what is mentors who work as a coach? A mentor is someone who shares their knowledge, skills, and experience to help other people develop and grow to the other level. Is the one who provides guidance to achieve goals, to achieve your full potential. Guys, uh, Do you understand that why Sachin Tendulkar, Virat Kohli, or any of the top athletes have mentors who works as coaches? Why do top businessmen have advisory boards? Why do a prime minister has a council? Why do film actors and dramatists have mentors? Just think, no? Think why many of the successful people have mentors who works as coaches. Dear student, the secret code will enable you to crack the code, crack that puzzle. If you understand this secret code, you will crack it to get a high salary design job. If you agree with me, go to the comment box and type got high salary secret code. Go to the comment box and type absolutely awesome. I believe now you have learned and understood the secret code in detail. Guys, I'm Kaustav. I have got more than 20 years of experience in working for corporates. I work as a mentor and provide coaching to working professionals. I'm also on a mission to develop employable interior designers and architects. Till now, more than 10,000 students have been placed through me in various top MNC companies. These people are working in these companies because they followed my mentorship and coaching. Do you want to know what kind of mentorship and coaching I give it to them so that they land their first job at high salary? If you are serious to get this mentorship and coaching strategies, then simply go to the comment box and type disclose mentorship and coaching action plan. Disclose mentorship and coaching action plan. Awesome. I see some of you still writing that comment. Look at what kind of mentorship and coaching I give it to them. I give mentorship and coaching on CAD software certification. I help them create educational industry based project portfolio. I give specialization skills. I coach on developing soft skills, and finally help them on how to get a job in design industry to reach their full potential. Check out what is the worth, what is the cost of this mentorship. Worth 12K is the Get First Job Hackathon that I give you free of cost. Worth 28K is the Inner Circle, which we are doing now, which is also free of cost. Worth 2 lakh rupees DYU portal access, which has private access to members only. Worth 1.3 lakh rupees of software training. This coaching is only for private members. Worth 22K of kitchen design and ergonomics. Worth 35K thousand for mentorship and coaching. And this is only for 1% student who follow my mentorship and coaching. Total worth is about 4.25 lakh rupees, but I'm not going to charge you this much fees. 4.25 is the total. I'm only offering you all this thing in my mentorship and coaching club at 85K. Guys, I'm on a mission. I want you to make maximum money by working in a job. This is the plan I gave so that you crack the code of the high salary job. Those students, you are at the right place and the right time because you know why? You have the hunger for success. You want that job in the design industry. You have already taken a lot of steps. See, you may be learning CAD software now. This is also one of the steps. And attending this inner circle is another one. And that is why you are here at the right place and at the right time. Maybe you are worried. Maybe because I am charging 85,000, but look at what value proposition you are going to get. No doubt about it. Even without my mentorship, you may get 18-20,000 rupees all a job. But the matter is this mentorship and coaching will prepare your resume for high salary jobs. So if you want to be a part of my mentorship and coaching, scan the QR code on the screen that's given and register. During registration, you shall be paying me 100 rupees. This amount is just to filter out the top 1% who are serious. If you believe you have the potential and you can get a high paying job after registering via the QR code, by registering through the link in the comment box, after making a payment of 100 rupees, you will receive an automatic WhatsApp message. Please complete this registration form provided in the WhatsApp message. This registration form will determine whether you belong to the top 1%. All the questions with your true thought, what you believe, Your belief system will shape your action plan for securing a high paying job. After registration, our team shall assist you. If you do not qualify as 1%, don't worry, do it next time. There's always time to do it. But students, only pay the 100 rupees if you believe that you are among the top 1%. Otherwise, don't waste your money. I suggest you buy a tasty pizza and a coke and just enjoy it, just chill. I'll give a few minutes to the 1% student to fill out this mentorship form. Yeah, each and every field is illustrated very clear. Put your answers there. Yeah, guys, this coaching is only for those students who are pursuing graduation, who are either pursuing diploma or done with it, BTech and MTech students, fresher interior designers, or maybe experienced professional who wants a higher salary. CAD Center students who have still not joined the mentorship and coaching program, remember this is a notice for your students. At the training center, you can enroll in courses without mentorship for even less than 85,000 rupees. If you want mentorship, you have to pay 85,000 as of the date of this inner call circle. The price may increase later. Then what are you waiting for? If you belong to the 1% of student, fill out the form and my team and I will connect with you soon. Thank you all for joining and participating enthusiastically in this inner circle call. This is Coach Panse signing off. Thank you.